I got a question for you. What is your biggest regret? Seriously, what's the simple thing that wakes you up at night? Losing your marriage, hurting your kids, the drinking, the anger, messing up a business opportunity, the years you wasted, the opportunities gone. So if you're honest, most people walking around carrying pain, they're not just carrying one, got a whole carload of them. I tell you something painful that I learned. Regret gets heavier as you get older. Eventually, you realize time is not unlimited. Start looking back at years you wasted, relations that you hurt, moments you can never get back. Kids. You can either wake up to that reality or it can completely destroy you. Some people spend the rest of their lives hiding from the truth, still blaming other people, still numbing themselves, still drinking, still angry, still lying to themselves, pretending I'm all right. Deep down, they know it's a scary place. They avoided the work, but that avoidance has a price. Listen carefully. Cannot build peace on top of dishonesty. Cannot heal while lying to yourself. Can't rebuild your life while protecting your excuses. At some point, you have to face all of it. The addiction, the failed marriage, emotional damage, hurting your kids, being selfish, all the years wasted, the pain you caused everyone else. So you can hate yourself, so you can finally face it and change. People change every day, turn it around. People get sober, repair relationships, become better fathers, better husbands, better business people, better human beings. Every single one of those people had one thing in common. They stopped running. That's why I talk so much about accountability and coaching. Change, it's not going to happen when you're comfortable. It happens when somebody tells the truth. Somebody says, I can't live this way anymore. I refuse. It's a real question today. You want to spend the rest of your life carrying regret? Or do you want to do the work and finally live with peace? Both paths are hard, but only one gives you a future. If you're starting over like me, please hit the subscribe button and type I'm in so I know. If you're serious about rebuilding your life and want some accountability or somebody to walk alongside of you, reach out to me, erichobaugh at gmail.com. My contact information is below. I did a whole bunch of videos on showing you how to restart and start over. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.